to online college. So we just finished off with my studio class, and actually we have been given an assignment last week about institutional and non-institutional building, in which we have to differentiate between institution and non-institution on the basis of some criterias, and I think we all did it wrong, and now we have to resubmit it again. Actually it's a redo for whole entire class. So we have been assigned some timelines till 1 p.m. today, so we have exactly 3 hours to do it, and I don't have tracing sheets. We have to work on tracing and I don't have tracing sheets. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we'll see after class. I have to go get those tracing, otherwise I won't. How will I work?
You knew before reading this book that climate has an influence over architecture as well as culture, also as a
I already feel too old. I'm in 3rd year. I'm in 6th SAM. Yeah, when the quarantine thing happened, I was in 4th SAM and it's already 6th. I feel too old right now. Online colleges has started for the new semester, so I have history lecture to attend today. We'll be studying about modern architecture in this semester with the works of masters and more of a colonial periods and planning of cities, I guess. So let's meet you after class.
Like, it was the era just after the US Civil War and the American Gilded Age was just started, and like this whole the things like
मिला कुछ? मिल गया? What have you been looking for, Nana? Huh? Yeah. Okay. It's so pleasing watching the sunset. I'm gonna miss this. There is one cool page on YouTube you must definitely follow. Her name is Prashasti Pal and you should subscribe to her channel. Thank you. Bye.